The Upanishads, translated by F. Muller, in 2 parts. Part 1, Khandogya Upanishad, 3rd Prapataka, 1st Khanda. The sun is indeed honey of the Devas. The heaven is the crossbeam for which the sky hangs as a hive, and the bright vapors are the eggs of the bees. The eastern rays of the sun are the honey cells in front. The Rik verses are the bees. The Rig Veda sacrifice is the flower. The water of the sacrificial libations is the nectar of the flower. Those very Rik verses, then, as bees, brooded over the Rig Veda sacrifice, the flower, and from it, thus brooded on, sprang as its nectar, essence, fame, glory of countenance, vigor, strength, and health. That essence flowed forth and went towards the sun, and that forms what we call the red Rohita, light of the rising sun. After the various meditations on the Samaveda sacrifice, the sun is next to be meditated on as essential to the performance of all sacrifices. Everybody delights the sun as the highest reward of all sacrifices. I'm not certain whether this passage is rightly translated. Rajendralal Mitra speaks of an arched bamboo, arched bamboo, whence the atmosphere hangs like a pendant, like a hive in which the vapors are the eggs. A pupa means a cake, and may mean a hive. In order to understand the simile, we ought to have a clear idea of the construction of the ancient beehive. And drawing similes is, one of the key ways that you find other meanings than the literal meanings of important texts like this. Anadya explained as food, but more likely meaning power to eat, appetite, health. See 3:13:1. The commentator explains the Rik verses on becoming part of the ceremonial perform the sacrifice. The sacrifice, the flower. When surrounded by the Rik verses, bees, yields its essence, the nectar. That essence consists in all the rewards to be obtained through sacrifice. And as these rewards are to be enjoyed in the next world and in the sun, therefore that essence or nectar is said to ascend to the sun. Because obviously anything good we're hoping for in the afterlife starts here. That doesn't mean that we get all the wealth and health and progeny that we want or something. But it means our joy, our contentment starts here.